If you want to improve your physical and mental well-being, yoga is a great choice. It can help increase your flexibility and balance while also toning your body. If you're a beginner, there are plenty of classes and tutorials available to help you get started. Hello and welcome to the lindyyoga.com podcast. If you're new to exercise and looking for something that won't be too intense, yoga is a good option. If you've been working out for a while but have hit a plateau and are no longer seeing results, yoga can also be beneficial. I enjoy yoga because it does not require a membership to a gym or pricey yoga studio. I will go over some beginner poses that can be done in your living room. We will be covering a few things that you should know before getting started. The yoga basics. Yoga is an ancient exercise that strengthens the body, mind, and spirit, which has been around for thousands of years. Some standard practices were established over that time. First, you don't need to be flexible to try yoga. That's a common misunderstanding. A lot of my clients are scared to try yoga for beginners because they think you need to be flexible. But you don't need to be flexible to do yoga. If you're not very flexible, you need yoga even more. Be patient with yourself and your flexibility will improve with practice. Different classes offer different types of yoga. We will discuss this more in a bit. The question of whether it is alright to eat before doing yoga is a common one. The answer is no. Doing yoga on an empty stomach is ideal. To put it delicately, a full stomach and yoga are not a good mix. The best course of action is to eat about 90 minutes before working out. A banana right before class is fine, but eating a full meal is not. Yoga is for everyone. You can do yoga even if you're not in good shape or flexible. What should I wear to do yoga for beginners? You will be doing yoga for beginners barefoot on a yoga mat. It is recommended that you wear comfortable clothing that can stretch with your body, such as yoga pants and a sports bra or t-shirt. Do not obsess over what you are wearing. You can do yoga for beginners naked if that is what you want. It may sound strange, but it is an option. I would advise against doing naked yoga in public, though it is perfectly fine to do it in the privacy of your own home. The connection between mind and body is more important than clothes. In yoga, you leave your ego at the door, which includes being self-conscious about what you're wearing. The simple answer is to wear what makes you feel good. Is yoga right for you? Would you like to improve your muscle tone and strength, become more flexible, work on your balance, relieve stress, or find a natural way to ease pain? Perhaps you are new to exercise and looking for a workout that won't be too strenuous, but will still leave you feeling refreshed and focused. Or maybe you are interested in adding a new form of exercise to your routine to prevent fitness plateaus. Whatever your goal, yoga can help you achieve it. If you are looking for a way to improve your overall health, reduce stress, or get in shape, then yoga for beginners may be a good option for you. Read the full article on www.lindyyoga.com and discover the 6 best yoga poses to increase flexibility in body, mind, and spirit. Just click the link below the video.